Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold is trading normally. There is not much volatility after the market opening, or in simple words, market is behaving like a normal Monday market. So right now gold is trading around 2984, and after the market opening gold made a high of almost 2994. On Saturday we discussed about two high risk scalping opportunities to sell, or selling opportunities around 2995 and 3000 area. Okay, 3000 to 999. So already market has reversed once from this level. So the selling opportunity that we discussed on Saturday is no longer valid. There's a high chance that okay, next time it may break it. So if you're a high risk scalper, if you have experience of scalping, then next time you can look for a sell around 3000 to 999 area. And rest of the levels, you can see that there is not much changes. Okay, they are still the same. So my dear friend, you still need to be careful because we can see that market is still lingering at the top, and there is a chance that at any point, okay, market may come down for correction. Yes, technical correction only, because still we don't have any news that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of gold towards 2900 to 2800. So those who are holding sell positions from 2600, 2700, chances are almost negligible right now that market will be coming down, because without any huge fundamental reason, chances of gold coming down to these levels are very less. And if you look at the ongoing market sentiment, you can see gold edges higher as geopolitical and economic concerns linger. Gold hovers near record high. So you can see that market sentiment is also more or less bullish. So if market comes down also, it will just be a temporary technical correction. Maybe market will come down to 2900 or somewhere around 2880. Okay, that's it. After that, market will continue the overall trend again. Because of demand and supply, no market can continuously go up, or no market can go down continuously. There will be some zigzag moves because of demand and supply. So gold may come down, okay, but it will just be a temporary thing. And the trading opportunities, yes, so whatever we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Okay, as we discussed on Saturday, the best buying opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2946, 2947. This level is still very much valid, but the problem is that chances of market coming down to this level is very less. Why 2946 we are considering? Because of price action, previous resistance working as support, and we have seen that price action have been doing a fantastic job. So you can see when we are drawing FIBO also, this point or this point, we are also getting support on 2946, 2945 area. So that is the best support. Okay, but as chances of market coming down to these levels are very less, okay, so we are considering the immediate levels also. Okay, for example, the second best support on the chart of gold is around 2955. Okay, 2955 to 2950. Why are we considering this area? Remember, okay, 295550. Okay, we have derived this level with the help of Fibonacci. So you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level. When we are changing the FIBO point, we are having a FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So okay, something is cooking around this area. If market drops, we can look for a buy position, and we will be looking for buy positions only because market sentiment is still very much bullish. So as a retail trader, it is safer and better for us to respect the ongoing market sentiment. As a result, we will be looking for buy at dip or buy at retracement only. If market doesn't come for retracement, that's a different story. Okay, then we can look for buying at breakout. But otherwise, we are still okay, very much in love with the trend. So let's look for buy at dip only. During the US session, if there is a sudden drop in the market, if you see big red candles, okay, that is a different story again. Then you can look for a sell position temporary. Do not sit on a sell position for 3-4 days though. Otherwise, as long as market is like this, if we need to survive, we need to respect the trend. Okay, So as I said, okay, the best is this red line here, but chances of market coming down to this level is less. So the second best support is 2950 to 2955. And we also have seen good support around 2981, 2979 area on Friday, but already market has tested the level couple of times, so chances of market breaking this level is high. Okay, so this support, okay, may not work as support. Personally, I will be avoiding this support for the day. So you can also look for support or quick bounce as a day trader around 297, so not 2974 area, 2974, 2973 and 2967. I think on Saturday we did not discuss about 2974, but I feel that we can get a 40 pips bounce around 2974. If it doesn't work, if you see market standing at 2974 with a red candle like this, then you can skip it. Then okay, we will stick to our original plan of 2967 only. Okay, so around 2967 also we can look for a 40 to 50 pips bounce. If you see after 40 to 50 pips bounce also market has the potential, the candle is still green, okay, then you can continue with your position. You can book partial profit and you can go for 70 to 80 pips. But initially, okay, you can look, you can book your TP1 at 40 to 50 pips only. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friend, okay, in short, the trend of the market is still bullish. No news came out during the weekend. Market sentiment is still very much bullish. So we are looking for buy at retracement or buying at dip only. If we look at the daily chart of gold, okay, gold is standing at a very dangerous level. So no fresh position for swing or position traders. But as gold is trading at standing at a very dangerous level, so there is a good chance that in the next 2 or 3 days, we may see market coming down for temporary technical correction, and that can be an opportunity for the swing and day traders to enter, swing and positional traders to enter again. As long as market is trading around this area, be a day trader, okay, because we are traders, okay, we do not drive the market. The only way to make money is to respect whatever is going on in the market and be flexible. So in this situation, we are looking for buy and dip only. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for buy above 3006 area. But after breaking 3006, I don't think so that market will be going crazily. There is a potential of market coming down after 40 to 50 pips. So if when market will hit 3010, 3011 area, okay, if you see market coming down again, exit from the breakout. Exit from the breakout and wait for the market to come down to 300 or 3000, 3000 or 3005 level again, because the same area will be the new support. Means when there will be a breakout, obviously market will come down, isn't it? So when this area will become the new support again, then you can enter. Means when market will take support and bounce back, this will be a better opportunity to trade. Buying at retracement is always safer in comparison to buying at breakout. And one more thing I would like to mention here is, okay, that on Saturday we saw reduction in number of contracts, but today I can see that the number of contracts are increasing again. So my dear friend, okay, it may not be that easy for gold to cross 3000 level. So there is a high chance, okay, that we may not see gold going above 3000 also. So let's wait and watch. As of now, okay, there is a high chance that market will remain choppy. Market will remain sideways for the next 2-3 days, because we also have FOMC on Wednesday, I guess. Okay, so till then, okay, we can expect the market to remain within this range, and we may not see gold going crazy bullish again, because we can see contracts are adding up. Okay, so slowly market may come down for some sort of correction, because this is not the comfortable for any of us, isn't it? My dear friends, you guys already know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again after 4 months. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है ये. So in the 7 days workshop, at first there will be 3 consecutive classes, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. Means it will take place for a period of 1 month. Why 1 month? Because trading takes time. Okay, if you learn everything at once, you will forget. So the main intention here is to learn and execute, learn and execute. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, you will be added to a WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates and analysis. And my dear friends, this is a glimpse of our WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. So this is how you'll be receiving regular updates, analysis, and during special events like NAP, CPI, we also have live sessions. So if you want to be a part of the group, okay, then also you can join. And these are the dates for the Hindi classes, English classes. You can see Hindi classes are starting from 4th, 5th and 6th. 4 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है, and English from 11, 12 and 13. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can join now also. You will be added to the WhatsApp group. You will be receiving free market updates, analysis till the workshop. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen topics. I did not go for any fancy stuff. Okay, we will just try to understand, okay, how does the market work and how to survive in this game here. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, lot size calculator, and many things. And for Indians, okay, there will be a special session because in India, okay, there are lots of complications, legal issues. So there will be a special session for Indians so that we can discuss everything openly, because there are many things that I cannot discuss openly in a public video like YouTube. Okay, so these are the topics of the weekly sessions. All the classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, you don't need to worry, because I record each and every session. Because of time difference, many people cannot attend. So you can get the recording also. And the best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. Okay, where you'll be receiving trade setups, market updates, analysis. Okay, and trading takes time, we know it. Okay, it's a journey. So if you have doubts, questions, you are looking for personal sessions, mentorship, then you can look for semi-annual or lifetime support, where you will be receiving WhatsApp support from my side also. In semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions. And in lifetime support, you will be receiving 6-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions. And along with that, the WhatsApp group community access will be there for you always. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you are done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. Okay, I will add you to the group immediately. So thank you so much, my dear friends.